students, this is the sixth part of the lecture based on biological classification. In this part, we will be deeply discussing about the 5-kingdom classification that was introduced by the scientist, yes, R.H. Whittaker. So let's begin with the detailed explanation of the characteristics of the 5 kingdoms. Biological classification. Now we are going to take classification part 2. My question to you is, name the 5 kingdoms classified under 5-kingdom classification of Whittaker. Okay, so just name me. First is Monera, second is Protista, third is fungi, fourth one is Plantae, and the last, fifth is Animalia. Okay, so let's take the kingdom Monera first. Cell type in kingdom Monera is prokaryotic. Body organization is cellular. Nutrition is either autotroph as well as heterotroph. Examples you can take eubacteria, blue-green algae and mycoplasma. So this is eubacteria, this is mycoplasma. Kingdom Protista. It is the junk drawer kingdom. It is also known as the junk drawer kingdom. It is having cell type eukaryotes. It is having body organization cellular. Nutrition is autotroph or heterotroph. Examples amoeba, paramecium and euglena. This is paramecium and this is exactly amoeba, and this one is green algae. Next is the kingdom fungi. It is, most fungi are decomposers. Okay, just remember this thing, most fungi are decomposers. So here is the cell type eukaryote, body organization multicellular or loose tissue. Nutrition is heterotroph. An example, mushroom, yeast, mildew and mold. This is mushroom, this is mildew on leaf. Kingdom Plantae. Cell type is eukaryote. Body organization, tissue or organ. Nutrition is autotroph. And examples, mosses, ferns, conifers and flowering plants. You can see this is, yes, these are the ferns, the seedless vascular plants. And this one is a Douglas fir that is having seeds in cones. Next is kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia, cell type is eukaryote. Body organization, tissue, organ or organ system. Nutrition is heterotroph. An example, sponges, worms, insects, fish and mammals. Here is the bumblebee. Here is the jellyfish. Now I am going to ask you your few questions to test your knowledge again. First question is, blue-green algae belongs to which group? Remember, Monera. Does fungi contain chlorophyll? Yes or no? No. Mode of nutrition of Protista is autotroph or heterotroph. If you have any query, just go to the website askIITians.com, click on the discussion board, select the category of your question type, type your question over there and get it answered from our experts, the experts of Ask IITians within 24 to 48 hours free of cost. Okay, so this is all about the classification part 2. We have discussed about the 5 kingdoms, the kingdom Monera, Protista, fungi, kingdom Animalia and kingdom Plantae. In this complete chapter, we have discussed about the types of classifications, the natural one and the artificial one. Then we understood the history of taxonomy, in which we get to know about the scientists like A.P.D. Candolle, Aristotle, Theophrastus, John Ray and R.H. Whittaker. R.H. Whittaker being the most important scientist contributing in the 5-kingdom classification. Then we understood the classification in which we got to know about the 5-kingdom classification, the 6-kingdom classification, as well as the 3 domains that the scientists follow these days. And then in the part 2 of the classification, we learnt about the 5 kingdoms, the kingdom Monera, the kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Animalia, and lastly kingdom Plantae. If you want to watch more lectures on biology, physics, chemistry and maths, then stay tuned to Ask IITians. Thank you so much.